Hey everyone, this is Mark at Short Action Customs. Thank you for purchasing a Bravo barrel vise. In this video, we're going to discuss what is included with your Bravo barrel vise. We're going to show you how to mount the Arca mounting base, how to put the barrel vise in the Arca mounting base, and then how to install your barreled action into the barrel vise, as well as select the appropriate bushing. The Bravo barrel vise is available in two configurations. The first configuration is a standalone vise, which is going to come with the barrel vise and one bushing of your choice. It's also going to come with the white non-adhesive drywall paper. The other configuration is a complete assembly, which comes with an Arca mounting base, 5 bushings, and the bushing tray as well. We designed the Bravo barrel vise to be an economical, high-strength barrel vise that's easy to use. We use high-strength 70-75 aluminum, and we have 2 half-20 cap head screws that allow you to torque this down very tight. To use your Bravo barrel vise, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our Arca mounting base and we're going to install it to this table. We have 2 countersunk holes here, so you could use up to a 1/2-inch screw. We're just going to use some Torx driven deck screws, and we're going to go ahead and secure it. Now that that's properly mounted, we're going to go ahead and mount our barrel vise. To install the Bravo, we're simply going to grab it and we're going to slide it into the Arca mounting base. We're going to use a 3/16 Allen wrench, and we're going to tighten up the 2 1/4-20 cap head screws on the clamp bar. Now that this is properly secured, we're going to loosen up the 2 1/2-20 clamp bolts, and we're going to simply pull off the top clamp with the hardware installed. The next thing we're going to do is select the appropriate bushing for this barreled action. This is a Remington 700 barreled action, so we actually have a couple options we can use. I'm going to grab the 865 to 870 bushing, and I'm going to have the smaller number towards the front, and I'm going to slide it on until I can feel the bushing engage the barrel. This is where you would use the 865, 870 bushing on this barrel. I'm going to try the 925, 930. I'm going to slide it on, and I can feel it get snug right there, so this is where we would use that bushing. And because Remington varmint contours, Senderos typically have a 1.250" diameter, I'm going to grab the 1.250" barrel, but there's not enough contact, so I'm not going to use this bushing. I'm next going to grab some of the white non-adhesive drywall tape that's included with every barrel vise. I'm going to select the bushing, slide it on, I'm going to mark it with my finger, and I'm just going to wrap this around twice. I'm next going to take the bushing with the smaller number towards the front, set it in the Bravo bottom. I'm going to grab the other bushing, set it directly on top of that, then place the Bravo on top and finger tight these screws. Next, I'm going to grab a 3/8 drive Allen, and I'm going to snug down the 2 top billets. With the Bravo, you can get really aggressive on your torque in case you don't have a good fit. Next, I'm going to grab my modular action wrench. I'm going to use a number 1 head for the Remington 700. I'm going to use the long Delrin bumper because it's a counterbore barrel. I'm going to slide it into the rear, and I'm going to loosen up this action. When installing an action onto a barrel, we recommend 100 foot-pounds of torque. And that is all you need to do to mount your barrel vise and to break a barrel action loose. In this video, we discussed the Bravo barrel vise and what's included in the box. We explained how to properly mount the Arca mounting base, how to install the Bravo barrel vise onto the Arca mounting base. We then selected the appropriate bushing for this barreled action, and then we installed it into the Bravo barrel vise and then broke the action loose. If you have any questions, please email us at info@ShortActionCustoms. As a reminder, all of our products have a 100% lifetime warranty against normal wear and tear. We design and manufacture all of these products here in the United States, and I'd like to personally thank you for choosing Short Action Customs, your foundation for precision.